Hi viewers, welcome to the Grammar Channel. Today we are going to learn about the poem Wind. Wind written by Subramanya Bharati. Chinnaswamy Subramanya Bharati was born on 11th December 1882 in Ettayapuram. He was an Indian writer, journalist, Indian independence activist and social reformer from Tamil Nadu. He was popularly known as Mahakavi Bharati and a pioneer of modern Tamil poetry. In fact, he was one of the greatest Tamil literary figures of all time. His vibrant songs kindled patriotism and nationalism during the Indian independent movement. He died on 12 September 1921 in Chennai. Now we move on to the summary of the poem Wind. The poet Mahakavi Bharati requests the wind to blow gently. He asks the wind not to break the shutters of the windows, scatter the papers, and throw down the books from the shelf. But the wind does not listen to him and turns violent and destructive. It throws down everything and tears the pages of the books. He tells the wind that it always makes fun of weak people and weak things. It crumbles down weak houses, weak doors, and weak rafters. It tears down weak bodies and fragile hearts, but does no harm to the strong. The poet says, it is up to the wind god whether it brings destruction or shows mercy on humanity. The poet suggests the reader to make friends with the wind, that we need to build strong homes with firm doors. He also suggests to be strong both physically and mentally to resist the ill effects of the wind. It blows out those fires which burn with a weak force, but the strong fires turn stronger by the wind, which means the wind is supportive of those who are already strong and powerful, but crushes the weak. A very significant message, that is, strong people are not affected by adversities, but the weak do. So, it is good to be a friend of the wind, which is the symbol of hardships and obstacles. Only then we'll be able to face the tough times. The central idea of the poem is that the poet Subramanya Bharati advises to be strong in mind and body. The wind will be our friend when we are strong. Actually, the wind represents the difficulties and challenges. We should encounter them bravely with all boldness. Dear viewers, the value that we learn from the poem Wind written by Subramanya Bharati is that face the challenges and hardships with courage, grit, and firm determination. The wind is a symbol of problems and obstacles which are to be dealt without fear. We must be friends with the wind and obstacles to cope with hard situations.